In preparation for this series of lectures, I made a list of projects, of drawings, films, installations, and performances that I could use as the spine of these talks. Each lecture having a project to be used both as a reference to what I was talking about and also as raw material with which to think. Thinking in cardboard, thinking in breath, ooh, thinking in ink or charcoal or gesture. I want to talk about the studio and what emerges from the studio, but also about things outside the studio that are given meaning by the work inside the studio. One takes a fragment and it expands in one's head and it makes its insistence felt. Again, the work done there from the studio is the only justification for the ideas presented here. And of course, in this conversation between the outside world and the studio, the biographical is inextricably mixed.